Hey y'all, so today I'm prepping fresh aloe vera straight from the leaf for my hair, my skin, and even my hands. The first thing I like to do is chop up the aloe and soak it in water for about 24 hours. I do this because aloe contains a natural compound called aloin, and it's found in the yellow sap near the rim, and that can sometimes cause itching and irritation. So soaking it first helps draw that out, leaving the aloe much more gentle and soothing. After soaking the aloe, I rinse the aloe really well to make sure that the sap is fully removed. I keep the leaf parts after I take the aloe out of it so that way I can use that for my skin later. And I'm left with clean, fresh aloe gel. Now I carefully put the aloe gel inside my blender, but I don't put it on the blender setting. I put it on the chop or the pulse setting because aloe can get really foamy and slimy if you blend it too much, and it could get really watery, which would not work as a hair mask. It'll end up working as a hair rinse. So chopping it gently keeps the texture smoother and a lot easier to strain. And it prevents a lot of aloe clumps getting into your hair mask, because once you put this in your hair, it will take forever to get those aloe clumps out of your hair. So doing it this way is going to prevent you from all the extra labor work. Now I am ready to apply my aloe vera gel to my hair. So aloe is truly one of the best natural ingredients for hair and for your scalp, because it's packed with so many vitamins and so many minerals like vitamins A, C, and E. It also has a natural enzyme which helps gently break down buildup and dead skin cells on the scalp. It also has amino acids in it, which are the building blocks of protein that support stronger hair strands, minerals that nourish the scalp, and moisturizing compounds that support hydration. And moisturizing, who doesn't need anything to help moisturize their hair, especially people with curly hair, because we have dry hair. So this aloe vera is healthy for all curl types. Aloe is amazing for the hair because it also helps to deeply hydrate your dry strands without feeling so greasy, and it helps to soothe any itchy and irritated or inflamed scalp. And it can reduce dandruff and flaking by helping balance the scalp's pH. It helps to strengthen the hair and improve softness, and it adds shine and elasticity to dull or brittle hair. And since our hair is made of keratin, which is a protein, those amino acids help support the hair structure, and it helps to reduce breakage over time. And yes, aloe can support healthy hair growth because it improves your scalp's health, which reduces the irritation, which then helps the hair retain length by strengthening it. A healthy scalp is truly the foundation for strong, thriving hair. Aloe vera is so amazing for the skin. It has soothing properties, it's hydrating, it's moisturizing. It's one of the most amazing plants on the planet for healing and repairing the skin. So this is good for people with most skin types, people with acne-prone skin, people with issue skin. So like people with eczema like myself, it helps to calm redness and inflammation, helps to soothe irritated, sensitive skin. It'll help hydrate dry skin. It'll help support the skin barrier and help your skin to hold moisture so much better. And it'll leave your skin so soft and refreshed and nourished without even being harsh. So it helps to calm also in any type of itchiness that you have. So my hands, they get itchy because of my eczema. So I like to do hand treatments using aloe vera. I put the gloves on because why? Because it helps to lock in that moisture, and it allows my hands to really absorb all of the healing benefits. So see y'all in the next video. Love you. Bye.